This 2017 Ford Transit Connect is brought to you by David and number 039S Auto Sales. Safety certified, reverse cam, Bluetooth, cruise control, remote locks, power windows, rear sliding doors. This beautiful 2017 Ford Transit Connect XLT is in excellent condition both inside and out, and mechanically speaking as well. David and number 39S Auto Sales is a haggle-free best price guaranteed dealership that provides quality vehicles at great prices. Our vehicles come with a safety certificate at no extra cost to you. Safety certificate included in price. Financing available to all credits. Warranty available up to 3 years. Visit us at davidsautosales.ca.